County Attorneys Association representative.
Hi there, thank you. My name is Steve Gold. I am honored to serve as the president of the Henderson County, president of the County Attorneys Association, and I also am honored to serve as Henderson's county attorney. I'm not going to beat a dead horse. I'm going to echo a lot of what Rob just said about the justice side of our budget. It is something where we do not, the county attorneys have no funding for expenses. We're all personnel. So I'll just leave it at that. I do want to talk a little bit about, just what your county attorneys do. We are the front line for delivering services for a whole lot of the bills that you pass. We prosecute crimes, as you know. We also counsel victims. We go to court to protect dependent, neglected, and abused children. We work with families of those that are suffering from addiction to try to get them into treatment using KACo's law. We collect child support, and more importantly, in many situations, for today's purposes, we serve as legal counsel to our counties. And we're proud to be part of the affiliation of KACo. We're proud to be an affiliate. We're proud to join with them in their legislative priorities. We also have another kind of unofficial role that we are very proud of. We are proud that many of you call up your county attorney and ask about legislation. We cherish that role. Very often, we are able to work with legislators to make good ideas, good legislation. And I encourage you to do that as things go forward, as the session moves forward. Please contact your county attorney, talk to them. I hear from members of our association very often that they get calls from legislators and they work with them on language on how to make these things work well where the rubber meets the road, which is very often in the county attorney's offices. I've joked to the Judiciary Committee a couple of times that I think their favorite phrase a lot of times is the county attorney shall. And that's something that ends up in a lot of legislation, and we are proud to embrace whatever role you give to us. But as Rob said, we do want to make sure that we have the resources to do that with fidelity to the ideals that you put behind that legislation. So I will be brief. I know you have a lot of people testifying today. I thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you, Steve.